Hi there graders, we are on last lesson from Module 6 and we are going to analyze data to problem solve. The table below shows the amount of money Danielle saves for 4 months. So we have 4 months and the money saved is in the chart. Make sure we create a picture graph below using the data in the table. Okay, so the title is Money Danielle Saves. As you can see, we have 9, 18, 36, 27. And I noticed that it's all multiples of 3. That's why I assigned 1 money is equivalent to $3. So because it's too much if I draw 36 rectangles there. Okay, so now I started labeling my 4 months and now I'm going to create my picture graph using my symbol. Okay, and that's equivalent to $3. So if I have 9, I'm gonna have 3 of those. Next, February, I have 18, so I'm gonna have 6 of the picture because 6 times 3 is 18. Next, March is 36. I'm gonna have, this is gonna be tall because if you skip count by 3 10 times, that's 30 and you need 2 more. So you're gonna have 12, okay, paper bill. And of course, the last one is April. Okay, let me finish this. Next is April 27, which is 3 times what is 27? That is 9. That's why boys and girls, we have to make sure we practice our multiplication, facts, and division. Okay, so just to double check, I'm going to skip count by 3 and see if it matches my collection or savings. So that's 9. Skip count by 3 and that's 18. Okay, and that's 3. I'm going to count 10 and I know that's going to be 30. Plus 2 more is 36. And the last one is April. Of course, it's 27, so that's less than 10, which is 9 because I know 9 times 3 is 27. Okay. Now let's answer some questions. How much money did Danielle save in 4 months? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the money that she saved for 4 months. January, February, March, and April. So we have January, $9, February 18, 36 for March, and April is $27. To add, I just add 2 numbers at a time. 18 plus 9 is 27. 36 plus 27 is 63. And so when I add 27 and 63, I will end up having $90. So she saved $90 for 4 months. Okay, so for the next one, how much more money does Danielle save in March and April than in January and February? So boys and girls, look at this one. I intentionally added March and April together and January and February together because it's easier for me to answer this question. So the first one is 63 for March and April, and January and February is $27. Now I'm also going to use my tape diagram to compare and see what's the difference between these two. And so I subtract 63 minus 27, and that's going to be equal to 36. $36. She saved 36 more in March and April. Okay, now Danielle combines her savings from March and April to buy books. Each book costs $9. How many books can she buy? So when I add March and April, I will end up having 63. So if I'm going to buy books, which is $9 per book, it's going to look like this using your tape diagram. Remember your size, your total, and your group. So the unknown here is your group. That's why we will now divide. We have a total and your size, 63 divided by 9 is equal to n. which is n times 9 equals 63. If you know your facts of 9, it's equal to 7. 7 books. She can buy 7 books. Now, Danielle earns $33 in June. She buys $8 necklace and a birthday present for her brother. She saves the 13 she has left. How much does the birthday present cost? So, we need to note that she earned $33 and then the necklace that she bought is $8. So, we are going to subtract that later. And then the present, we don't know. So let's leave it as a question mark. And of course, she saves the $13 she has left. Now the question is, how much is the birthday present? So what I do is, I get my money, subtract 8, and then my answer is 25. I don't know what is the price of the present, but I know what's left, which is $13. And so we can play around with that. Number sentence 25 minus question mark equals 13. And we can also use n for our unknown number. So 25 minus n equals 13. N is equal to what? Let's subtract by using also our tape diagram. 13 plus n is 25. And so my answer is 25 minus 13 is 12. So the birthday present costs $12. Alright, boys and girls, that's the end of our module. I hope that everything was clear. If not, just make sure you ask me questions on Dojo. I will love to help you. Good luck and be good. Bye!